All right, another day for the stock market is here, guys, and let me tell you, just like yesterday, we are all over the place. The Dow's down a little bit. Actually, no, now it just flipped green, but we have the S&P up a little bit, 0.1%, QQQ up the same, and the Russell is up decently, actually, 0.5%, as silver, get ready for this, guys, is breaking through $60 an ounce, which is insane. I think that's the first time we broke through 60, right? Or was that last night or whatever? This morning, it looks like we hit $61 an ounce. Unreal, which we've called out the silver breakout for months now. I mean, we were calling silver out in the 40s, 30s. Yeah, we're not surprised. I'm not surprised that I'm seeing this in silver, the overall breakout. I mean, we called this out, the cup and handle, months ago, right? So we're not going to harp too much on silver, but that is ripping today. And SoFi, which you guys saw the title, we got some news from SoFi that we have to cover today. They're down 2%. And SoFi is still trading under both the 50 and the 180 moving averages, and we're approaching a big level of support at about $26.50, $27 a share, which we're going to break down everything in this video. So guys, hit the like button, subscribe, join the Patreon for my portfolio updates, my chart breakdowns, the private Discord. All of that is on Patreon down below for $10 a month or $20, depending on the tier you pick. Link down below. Again, pinned in the comments. I actually just posted an update to the portfolio yesterday. I sold a stock for 700+%. Rotated some money into call options on another stock. If you guys want to see all the moves, again, shameless plug down below. So, SoFi, what we're noticing on the charts, which we actually mentioned, I believe, yesterday, we're noticing an inverse head and shoulders, which as of right now, it's above the neckline, the neckline being about $26.50, $27 a share. That's a big support level from, you can see, really the last couple of weeks. We did fall through it a little bit on, about a week or two ago when we got down to about $23, $24, the head of the inverse head and shoulders here. Then, yeah, I mean, as long as we hold above $26, $27, which it looks like we are now, there's a decent chance we could be seeing this rebound. But then again, with the public offering, like I said, there might be a cap on the stock, a ceiling on the stock in the short term. That's still in effect, obviously. But maybe we don't get the huge breakout yet, but I'm eyeing up to see, okay, do we consolidate at least? Do we find support here at 26, 27, like we did, all throughout the last couple of weeks? And that would be a sign that, okay, the inverse head and shoulders, although it's not fully breaking out yet, it's forming, it's stabilizing, and then we'll see, okay, maybe we follow that stabilization with this right shoulder playing out or breaking back out. And if, let's say, we break through $28, $29 again, that would be the confirmation on the charts that we are breaking out. But again, with the public offering, that putting a ceiling on the stock, I don't think we're necessarily there quite yet. But we'll see. Over the coming weeks, that could change. So let me show you now the news that we just got. Let me transition over here. Let's see what's going on. So SoFi Technologies and Templum, voice crack there, guys. Let me get some water. Cheers. They actually launched an open investment window for Epic Games and Stripe. And we'll talk a little bit about Templum. This partnership, I'm pretty sure it goes back a couple months. Cheers, by the way, guys. Got a little sip of water there. So Templum is an infrastructure provider for private markets. And SoFi opened an exclusive investment window. This is the news that we got today for accredited investors to access Epic Games and Stripe through the Cosmos Fund. So obviously, Epic Games, private company, Stripe, private company. People want access to these, investments, if you will. And this is exactly what's going on here between SoFi and, again, Templum. And the offering here, hold on, my wife's calling me. Let me mute that for a second. The offering is available only through December 8th through December 19th, 2029 or 2025, excuse me. So about 11 days the offering's open, and that marks the latest private company opportunity facilitated by the partnership and follows the highly oversubscribed SpaceX offering from earlier this year, right? So let me take a little trip down memory lane. Well, not too far back, but back on September, we can see SoFi, in September, we got news. SoFi and Templum partner for expanded access to alternative assets, right? And I'm not sure if we covered this on the channel or what. Maybe we didn't get a chance to. I'm trying to remember. Either way, Templum is, again, the operating system for private markets and alternative assets. TM is pleased to announce that the company is working with SoFi. This is the news we got in September, which, again, SoFi, everybody knows, but it says here, to give a little, context, they're the all-in-one digital personal finance company, blah, blah, blah. And, Anthony Noto here says, at SoFi, we spend every day working to empower our 8+ million members, blah, blah, blah. And over the past decade, alternatives have expanded rapidly, right? Becoming an important way to build and protect wealth, with global alternative assets under management expected to reach $24.5 trillion. Oh my God, with a T, trillion, by 2028, compared with $16.3 trillion today, right? Despite the growing demand, the landscape remains fragmented and manual, limiting access, innovation, and investor confidence. And together, SoFi and Templum are bringing best-in-class technology and infrastructure capabilities to facilitate access to one of the fastest-growing sectors of investment. So that's a little, rundown there about Templum, SoFi, the little background, the partnership from the last, couple of months. And again, they're launching this, offering only available to, again, accredited investors from December 8th to the 19th. And again, this is to get access to Epic Games, Stripe, right, through the Cosmos Fund. So that's some latest news here. Not crazy altering news in terms of the stock price. Something like this is not going to move the stock price, but it's still pretty awesome, interesting to see there what SoFi is doing in the private markets. As there's demand for that. There is a need for that, especially for accredited investors. They're like, all right, I'm investing in the S&P 500. I have real estate, from the accredited investors' perspective. They have money in crypto. They want money in private companies as well. They want to be able to access these. So I like the fact that SoFi has a partnership in place for that. I'm a big fan. So yeah, keep your eyes on these charts, guys. I'm telling you, the inverse head and shoulders looks like it's intact. Again, it might take a little bit for it to play out, but keep your eyes on the consolidation. If we get it in the 26, 27 range, watch for that, the stock to bottom out a little bit, and we'll see where it goes from there. So, a little bit of a quicker video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, guys, run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe. Join the Patreon if you want to keep up with what I'm actually doing in my portfolio. We post updates week in, week out. I'm investing $1,000 a week in that portfolio. There's also a Discord. All of that is linked down below, pinned in the comments, or go to stasurfs.com/Patreon. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.